Hey guys, this is HP DESKJET 3755. This printer and HP DESKJET 3772 are pretty much the same thing. I want to show you how to set this printer up. To connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to press the Wi-Fi button and cancel button together to put this printer in a wireless mode. Press Wi-Fi and cancel button together for 3 seconds. And the printer is now flashing. Then you release it and the Wi-Fi button is flashing. We're going to set this printer up with our laptop. So go to Microsoft Store in your laptop or Google Play. So go to Microsoft Store and download HP Smart App. So Microsoft Store. So type HP Smart App on top. HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App. So you need to download it, install it on your computer, select install. So this app now is installing. And meanwhile, if you look on the Wi-Fi network button, you see the Wi-Fi button is flashing continuously. Once it's connected, it will be a steady blue light. So now the app is downloaded. So you need to launch it. Select launch. Do you want to allow this app? Select yes. Agree. Welcome to HP Smart App. Agree. Accept all. Now you need to select sign in or skip or set up a new printer. So set up a new printer. And now it's searching for available printer. Printer is found. So you need to select on the printer. HP DESKJET 3700 series is available. So select setup. Time to connect, set up and manage your printer. Select connect. Access Wi-Fi for the following network. So you picked up the Wi-Fi network available. Select no, thank you for this. If you select continue, sometimes you will mess up with the connection. So I like to select no, thank you, so that this will allow us to put the password. So we need to enter the password. You get the password from the back of your network router. I have the information here. So we're going to type the information. This password can be case sensitive. So you need to make sure if it asks you to put a small letter, you put a small letter. If it asks you to put a capital letter, you put a capital letter. If it asks you to put a number, then you do the same. So we're going to put the password. Once you type the password, you double check the information you put, if the information is correct. And I'm happy with the information. So the next we need to do is we need to select connect. Printer is found. Printer configured. Join network. Network joined. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. So this printer now is connected. It's connected, and if you look on the printer, you see that the Wi-Fi network button is a steady blue light and web light is still flashing, but we need to continue to finish up the connection. But this printer now is connected. You can see the Wi-Fi light that was flashing is now steady on. So now the next we need to do is we need to select continue. Connected printing service. Select accept all. Create an HP account or register. Skip account activation. This is tutorial, so I'm going to skip account activation. Don't miss out automatic print and warranty information. Select skip activation. Now you have option for you to select auto update or notify me. So select auto update and select apply. Setup complete. Print from other device. Send link or skip sending. So I'm going to skip sending link. Setup complete. Let's print. Select print. Test page. Then you also need to scroll down. Make sure you select the correct printer. Scroll down from the list and look for HP DESKJET 3775 series and select print. Here we go. So this is the document we printed out. And from this HP Smart app, you can scan, shortcut, printable, print photo, mobile fax, print document, printer settings. This tutorial is applicable to HP DESKJET 3775 series printer. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.